Ladies and gentlemen, in an era defined by technological advancement, it's undeniable that modern technology has revolutionized the way we approach household tasks. From smart appliances to automated cleaning devices, our lives have become more convenient, efficient, and even aesthetically pleasing. However, this convenience comes at a cost, and it's important to consider both the benefits and potential drawbacks that come with this technological evolution. One of the most apparent advantages of modern technology in households is the ease with which we can complete tasks. The invention of labor-saving devices and smart home systems has transformed mundane chores into seamless experiences. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostats, and even appliances with just a few taps on your smartphone. This level of automation not only saves time and effort, but also contributes to the overall convenience of our daily lives. Moreover, the integration of technology into households has brought a new level of beauty to our living spaces. Smart lighting systems allow us to create ambience at a touch, and home entertainment systems provide immersive experiences like never before. The marriage of technology and design has transformed our homes into functional works of art, enhancing our quality of life and creating environments that are both aesthetically pleasing and comfortable. Yet, as we celebrate these advancements, we must also be mindful of the potential downsides. The widespread use of electricity while powering our modern conveniences leads to energy waste and environmental concerns. As technology becomes more integrated into our homes, it's imperative that we seek sustainable solutions to reduce our carbon footprint and minimize energy consumption. Another aspect to consider is the impact on our health. While technology has undoubtedly made life easier, it has also reduced the need for physical exertion. The sedentary lifestyle that often accompanies our tech-centric routines can lead to health problems, including obesity and related illnesses. It's essential that we strike a balance between embracing the convenience of technology and maintaining an active, healthy lifestyle. In conclusion, the modern technological revolution in households offers undeniable benefits, streamlining tasks, adding beauty, and enhancing our comfort. However, as we revel in these conveniences, we must remain vigilant about the potential drawbacks, such as energy waste and the